First, the top news headlines. Minister clarifies failure to summon 3 legislative sessions in 2024 cites COVID-19, May 2023 clashes and notes past government failures to do the same. Uttar Pradesh invites people of Manipur to Kumbh Mela, with Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya accepting on behalf of the state. Congress challenges amendments to election rules in Supreme Court, citing integrity concerns. Congress protests erupt across Manipur against Amit Shah's controversial remarks on Dr. Ambedkar. District Congress committees demand resignation and apology. And greetings follow in from Manipur's top leaders as Governor, Chief Minister and others wish the people a Merry Christmas. A very good evening. You are watching IS Prime Time English News. This is Suraj Khongban giving you the news. Now the news in detail. In response to concerns raised by the Manipur Congress regarding the failure to summon 3 sessions of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly in 2024, Law and Legislative Minister T.H. Basantakumar provided a clarification during a media interaction at the DIPR Auditorium in Imphal today. Reaffirming the state government's commitment to adhering to the constitutional provisions and the rules established by the Manipur Legislative Assembly, the minister highlighted that in normal times, the state government has consistently summoned the assembly 3 times each year, citing examples from 2017 to 2020. However, he acknowledged that previous governments also failed to meet the requirements outlined in Rule 17A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Manipur Legislative Assembly. He pointed out instances in which only 2 sessions were held in certain years, including 2003, 2007, 2008, 2009 and 2016. Minister Basantakumar attributed the failure to summon these sessions in 2024 to exceptional circumstances, particularly the COVID-19 pandemic and the violent incidents following the May 3, 2023 ethnic clashes, which severely impacted the state's functioning. He assured that the state government, despite the law and order challenges, remains committed to fulfilling its constitutional and legislative responsibilities in the future. In a decisive move, the state government has opened the door to an inquiry into any alleged wrongdoing by the Board of Secondary Education, Manipur BOSIM, including its newly appointed chairman, Akham Joykumar Singh. The government has made it clear that if any evidence of misconduct is provided, action will be taken as per the prescribed rules. The announcement comes amid a pen-down strike by some BOSIM employees protesting Singh's appointment. A release by the Education Department stated that Joykumar was appointed on December 6th based on a merit-based process with no interviews or exams required, in line with the state's regulations. With the crucial task of textbook printing, distribution and the impending matriculation exams at stake, the state government has urged employees to end the strike, stressing the importance of prioritizing the education and welfare of students during this vital period. As part of the Prayagraj Mahakumbh 2025, Uttar Pradesh government extended an invitation to the people of Manipur. The invitation was extended by Uttar Pradesh Minister Rabindra Jaiswal on behalf of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath to Manipur Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya during a meeting at the Raj Bhavan in Guwahati, Assam. The Mela will start from January 13 and will continue till February 26, 2025. Accepting the invitation, the governor thanked the UP Chief Minister and his cabinet. He conveyed the good wishes of the people of Manipur. The governor hoped that the Prayagraj Mahakumbh 2025 would showcase India's vibrant cultural, devotional and religious essence. The Union Ministry of Rural Development has set a firm deadline of March 25th next year to complete ongoing road construction projects under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana (PMGSY) in Northeast India, according to the Union Minister of State for Rural Development Kamlesh Paswan. Speaking at the sidelines of Rojgar Mela in Shillong, Paswan revealed that Phase 3 of the project aims to complete 23 roads, while Phase 4 will focus on providing connectivity to 25,000 areas, with an estimated cost of 86,000 crore rupees. He acknowledged that natural challenges have caused delays in the region's road construction, but expressed confidence that the set targets will significantly improve the Northeast road connectivity in the near future.
देखिए पीएमएसवाई सड़क हमारे नॉर्थ ईस्ट में काम तो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन समस्या सबसे बड़ी आती है कि हमारे पास सिर्फ 5 से 6 महीने काम करने का समय होता है, क्योंकि क्लाइमेट का एक बहुत बड़ा इश्यू है। यहाँ पर हम लोग जब भी बैठक लेते हैं या हम प्रगति रिपोर्ट लेते हैं तो जो 5 महीने का है, इसकी वजह से हमारी सड़कें जो हमने डेडलाइन दे रखा है वो पूरा नहीं हो पाता है। लेकिन हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आने वाले 25 मार्च तक 2025 तक हम लोगों ने डेडलाइन दिया है कि चाहे नॉर्थ ईस्ट की जितनी भी सड़कें उसको किसी भी तरह उसको हम लोग पूरा करें। और समस्याएं हैं, पहाड़ी इलाका है तो समस्याएं, लेकिन उस चुनौतियों से भी हम निपट के अच्छा काम करने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं।
The Congress party has approached the Supreme Court with a writ petition challenging recent amendments to the Conduct of Election Rules 1961. The amendments, which prevent the public inspection of certain electronic documents such as CCTV footage, webcasting recordings and videos of candidates, are aimed at preventing potential misuse. AICC General Secretary Jairam Ramesh, who filed the petition, expressed concern on social media about the unilateral changes made by the government of these crucial election rules. He emphasized that the Election Commission, as a constitutional body responsible for ensuring free and fair elections, should not be allowed to make such significant amendments without public consultation. He also argued that the amendments undermine transparency and accountability by restricting access to vital information, furthering eroding the integrity of the electoral process. Ramesh expressed hope that the Supreme Court would intervene to restore the integrity of the election process. In a unified response to controversial remarks made by Union Home Minister Ramesh Shah about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, District Congress committees DCCs across Manipur today organized protests in their respective districts. The protests included rallies to the district commissioner offices, where each DCC submitted a memorandum to the President of India, Draupadi Murmu, through the respective DCs. The memorandum called for Amit Shah's resignation from the post of Home Minister and demanded a public apology for his comments. The rally was part of a larger nationwide movement known as the Baba Saheb Ambedkar Saman March, held in all district headquarters across the country. The District Congress Committee DCC Thawal also joined the nationwide protest by organizing a rally from its office to the DC Thawal complex. Speaking to the media, General Secretary Administration of DCC Thawal Y. Basanta condemned the Union Home Minister's statement. He described Amit Shah's comments as a direct challenge to the Constitution of India and the very principles of democracy, which Dr. Ambedkar had championed.
अखोई पुनमोना अदुगुम्बा भारतकी लंगाक पाइबगी मनुंदा असौ दायित्व लेबा अमित शाह से डिजाइन तौगदबनी लोयना खुदक माबु लोकथोकदबनी हाइबा मेमोरेंडम अमगासी थबाल डीसी खुथांगदा अखोई बिसिनजखरे हिरोइनना थबाल डीसी कांग्रेस कमिटीना हनमल लेतना असुमा भारत सरकार की थवंग बीजेपी की थवंग असिबु यानेंग देलना अमित शाह म खुदकता हमने डिजाइन तहनबियु हाइबा गसी डीसी थबाल खुथांगदगी भारत की लइबा श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया दा गसी मेमोरेंडम से सबमिट तौजगी.
Delhi police has once again barred Thokchom Sujata, convener of Imagi Meira, from participating in a protest organized by civil society groups at Jantar Mantar yesterday. This follows a similar incident earlier in December when Sujata was placed under house arrest to prevent her from attending the Nupilal observance on December 12th, hosted by the Delhi Meitei Coordinating Committee. In a video made available to the media, Sujata expressed frustration over the repeated restrictions imposed on her. revealing that the police cited orders from higher authorities for her detention. She questioned why she is being denied the right to speak out about the ongoing conflict, including the unexplained disappearance of Laishram Kamal Babu from the Lemakong army camp. Sujata further challenged the rationale behind these actions, demanding clarity from both the central and the state governments on why she is being kept under house arrest. She questioned the suppression of her voice in a democratic society, emphasizing that her only crime seems to be expressing her grievances.
Space of democracy, right? The people pot say, "Ako'y later freedom say, space of freedom say later bra." Haidana ay hangjari maramdi. Sumay tawag na Manipur amada ako'y asuk may chak may third taking a sit hat rampan hen may chak na chay sumi ama matung future mga ba economy down or ba si bana ba thong matulak po matam sida nga si army na tawra iba po thawong si yan hindi haidana khara haizege haidana su khalaga leba pot se sumay na ako'y gi wangang ba se thinga ga kyam kuin na lo thambi ga ba center amasung state sarkar na basi yamna tasing na natay chada ba yamna ako'y miyoy ba gi hakpu khongbang na ba habadu oire basi personal oina tawo prahada khali maram di ngasi group hariba pot protest du pangthok sakri sini protest du pangthoki to botabu ai yaw bu yaro haba se house election ngasi su tawi masiki pakum athu bada pamje masi kai gidamak ta house election taw thambino kai gidamak ta ina jantra mantra da wangang ba yadrino masi puna makse amutang pakum pibio haidana ngasi akoina video semjari basida akoi gi manipur da leiba media puna makta amutang masi happy raga pakum amutang lominasi.
With just some hours left for the much-awaited Christmas celebration, Christian brethren in Manipur are bustling with final preparations to ensure a joyous occasion for all. The district's Christmas halls and festival venues are fully decorated with lights, ornaments, and vibrant displays, adding to the festive spirit. Tonight, the Christmas Eve program will kick off with an inaugural ceremony marked by religious fervor and enthusiasm, bringing the community together in celebration. Despite the chill in the air, the district is filled with the sounds of last-minute shopping as locals prepare for the big day. Early morning, in Noni district, crowds could be seen braving the cold wave, with temperatures plummeting due to dense fog and freezing conditions. In response to the cold, electric heaters and charcoal stoves are being put to use in shops and market areas, while people bundle up in warm woolen clothes to stay cozy. Shopkeepers and vendors are busy ensuring that their stores are stocked with Christmas essentials, ranging from decorations to food items, ready for the influx of shoppers. As the clock ticks down for Christmas, let's take a closer look at how the festive preparations are shaping up through the eyes of local vendors and shopkeepers who are working tirelessly despite the weather.
Si se krasit pawali hakum de gidi krasit pawali adu wari su dum yani taure mi biang se lampiyo hai nati hai taure ga lai rabuni do discount offer mi biang se nungai minasi Christmas se nungai minasi hai ni lai rabuni ado andak se kra pot si padi wali ye adu wari su dum yani di taure ga lai re
Sipana tra
dum sile try to be a top yon na nina dum di sale Christmas mamang suway nina
Kalau Christmas yung offer ka di TV tra
offer se ako na laurak pa digi lupa tara kun napuga adum ado ko yung offer hay sare
Batara umma 10%
ada profit laurak ako dumi loy na mak law ba yan nga ako price stories na ba ko buda thap ne
Okay.
Meanwhile, top leaders of Manipur have conveyed their warmest wishes to the people on the joyous occasion of Christmas, particularly the Christian community, marking the sacred celebration of the birth of Jesus Christ. Governor Laxman Prasadacharya, in his message, extended his best wishes to the people of Manipur, emphasizing the significance of Christmas as a time to reflect on the teachings of peace, forgiveness, compassion, and love that Jesus Christ championed. He also congratulated Christian missionaries for their substantial contributions to the state's educational, healthcare, and humanitarian services. Governor Acharya concluded his message by wishing the people of Manipur a Merry Christmas. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh also shared his festive greetings, noting that Christmas is a season of love, peace, and goodwill. He highlighted the virtues of compassion, generosity, and unity, urging the people to reflect on the teachings of Jesus Christ and spread kindness. The Chief Minister called for collective efforts to build a society founded on respect and progress, wishing the people a Merry Christmas filled with happiness, prosperity, and good health. In his message, Minister Yumnam Khemchan also extended his heartfelt greetings, wishing that Christmas brings a strong sense of peace and brotherhood, based on the teachings of Lord Jesus Christ. Adding to the festive spirit, Minister T.H. Basantakumar sent his warm greetings, wishing all households peace, happiness, and prosperity, urging citizens to celebrate with gratitude and look forward to a hopeful new year. Minister Sapam Ranjan also extended his greetings and stated that may this Christmas be a time for reflection and renewal, leading to a peaceful and happier lives for all. On behalf of the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, President K. Meghachandra, who is also the MLA of Wangkhem Assembly Constituency, extended Christmas greetings to the people of Manipur, particularly to the Christian community. On the occasion of Christmas, he called for peace, harmony, and unity, emphasizing that these are key to development and the responsibility of every citizen.
Ekoi khudimaki daitani haibase ekoi khudimak khanminasi ngasi dharma khudimak amatani Hindu gi lining chatpa Christian gi lining chatpa Muslim gi oiba yai Sikh gi oiba yai loina na maitai gi lining chatpa oiba yai ekoi khudimak na santi gi Thabak tawrabadi aikoi Ishor gi paujel se mai pakani amasung soidana Manipur da santi handalapang ngani haibase ai yaset pathajabani.
In a major security operation, joint forces conducted search operations and area domination in the fringe and vulnerable areas of Manipur's hill and valley districts, leading to the recovery of a substantial cache of weapons and explosives. From Lisiang village in Churchanpur district, security forces seized 40 meters of cordex, 9 improvised explosive devices, IEDs with detonators, a non-electric commercial detonators, and 30 centimeters of safety fuse. The operation in Taizang village, also in Churchanpur district, yielded an even larger haul: 1 rocket, 1 .303 rifle with magazine, 4 pistols with magazines, 1 Pompey, 5 Pompey bombs, 45 sticks of low-grade explosives, 14 detonators, and a range of ammunition including .303, 7.65 mm and 9 mm pistol rounds. Further operations in the Ngarian Hill Ranges in Fallis district resulted in the recovery of 1 7.62 mm LMG with magazine, 1 12-bore single-barrel gun, 1 9 mm pistol with magazine, 2 hand grenades, 30 rounds of LMG ammunition, and 2 sacks containing various items. In a significant war on drugs mission, a joint team comprising Manipur Police, CRPF, Forest Department, and an executive magistrate conducted a poppy destruction drive in villages along IT Road, Kangpokpi. The team successfully destroyed a total of 22 acres of illegal poppy cultivation, with 5 acres in Kotland village and 17 acres in Holzang village. An FIR has been registered and authorities are working to identify and apprehend those responsible for the illegal cultivation. In a major crackdown on cross-border smuggling, the Assam Rifles, under the aegis of Headquarters IGAR South, successfully intercepted a large consignment of illegal areca nuts at a mobile vehicle checkpost in Churchanpur district recently. The operation was launched following a tip-off regarding a goods carrier truck attempting to smuggle areca nuts of Myanmar origin through the area. Acting swiftly on the intelligence, Assam Rifles set up a mobile checkpost at Sangai Kot Junction. The vehicle, which was attempting to bypass the Assam Rifles camp, was intercepted and thoroughly checked. Upon inspection, security forces discovered approximately 8.2 tons of areca nuts hidden under covers in 82 sacks, each weighing 100 kg. The total value of the seized consignment is estimated at around 70 lakh rupees. The truck was detained and the seized contraband has been handed over to the Divisional Forest Officer, Churchanpur District, for further investigation. In a proactive move to strengthen community relations and ensure the safety of residents, Assam Rifles organized a crucial security meeting at the Shakpao Company operating base in Ukhrul district. The primary aim of the meeting was to assess local perceptions of the prevailing security situation and address concerns related to the safety of villages in that region. The event began with a welcome address by the company commander, who briefed the village authorities on the current security landscape and assured them of continued vigilance by the security forces. Following the briefing, an interactive session was held with village heads, during which various concerns raised by the villagers were addressed. The attendees were reassured of their safety, emphasizing the strong and active presence of Assam Rifles in the area. The meeting saw the participation of 16 representatives from 10 village councils under the area of responsibility of Shakpao Company operating base. The state government has announced the promotion of 2 IPS officers to the post of Deputy Inspector General of Police in the IPS Super Time Scale, effective from 1st January 2025. The appointments were made based on the recommendations of the screening committee meeting held on December 10th. Maharabam Pradeep Singh and S. Gautam Singh have been elevated to the prestigious position in level 13A of the pay matrix. The appointment order was issued by the Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms with the approval of the Governor of Manipur. A delegation of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad ABVP Manipur, led by State Secretary Gautam Philem and State Joint Secretary R.K. Yaikhomba Singh, along with candidates appearing for the upcoming non-teaching recruitment examination conducted by Central Agricultural University CAU, met the Vice Chancellor of the university today. The Central Agricultural University is conducting non-teaching recruitment examination on January 3rd and 4th of 2025, and ABVP has demanded the addition of Imphal as a center. The meeting addressed the pressing concern and high financial stress faced by the appearing candidates in appearing the said examination at outside Manipur. ABVP Manipur informed the Vice Chancellor that many of the candidates belong to humble families and hence many will face problems in meeting the expenses of flight tickets, accommodations and others. The delegates, therefore, on behalf of the appearing candidates, requested the Vice Chancellor to either conduct the recruitment examination at Imphal or postponing the examination till a favorable situation arises. In response, the Vice Chancellor reportedly acknowledged the concerns and assured the delegation that the university would write to the Chief Minister seeking assurance of adequate security arrangements. A 2-day regional level workshop cum training program on honey processing was inaugurated today at the Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK Bishnupur Utlau by the Ministry of North-Eastern Council NEC Shillong. The event aimed at promoting beekeeping and honey processing in the region was attended by several key figures, including the former Union Minister and Chairman of KVK Vishnupur Padmasri T.H. Chauba Singh, General Manager of NABARD Regional Office Imphal Partha Mandal, President of the Manipur Beekeepers Federation S. Nilkamal, Director of Manipur University CDC Professor N. Mohilal Meitei, and Senior Scientist and Head of KVK Vishnupur Dr. K.H. Brajamani Meitei. The workshop aims to provide technical knowledge and hands-on training to local beekeepers with a special focus on improving honey processing techniques, packaging and marketing strategies. Attendees are expected to gain valuable insights into advanced beekeeping practices, which will help them improve the quality and quantity of their products. In his address, Padmasri T.H. Chauba Singh highlighted the importance of beekeeping and honey processing as key contributors to the economic development of Manipur. He emphasized that such initiatives are crucial for sustainable livelihood and economic growth in rural regions. The former Union Minister also stressed the need for better training and development opportunities for local beekeepers to enhance production and market opportunities.
Honey represent no economic activity health oil Hello no no koi do ha she never need and amana ubu ya khairu thawradi pa la le ka ku da thawren ma le production por ko ka da ka ya mo ni bona mo na sara ri ka da na le ro prasha cho dum nawana dum pigani benga pigani pashawan ko le te.
In observance of World Sight Day 2024, the National Health Mission and the National Program for Control of Blindness and Visual Impairment (NPCB) and VI jointly organized an awareness program at the District Hospital of Thobal today. The event was held at the hospital's conference hall with the theme "Children Love Your Eyes." The program was inaugurated by the Deputy Commissioner of Thobal, Ahanthem Subhash, alongside the Chief Medical Officer of Thobal, Dr. Y. Nokul Singh, and the Medical Superintendent of District Hospital, Thobal, Dr. W. Rohini Kumar. The event was also attended by various health officials and members of the community. District Nodal Officer for NPCB and VI, Dr. Birbala Okram, highlighted the importance of eye health, particularly for children, during the program. As part of the day's observance, free eye screening camps were set up across the district, providing services to individuals who may not have easy access to healthcare facilities. In his address, DC Subhash emphasized the importance of regular eye checkups and urged the public to take eye health seriously. He noted that with the increasing use of mobile phones, many individuals, particularly children, often neglect the health of their eyes. He encouraged the public to ensure that they undergo regular eye screenings to detect potential issues early.
Preliminary investigation school hospital identify class identify school khas at pahorame yang fajar ju success hoirame organization masong da bisum thador tam dagi sigi tempo je pura down chakhibne haita madu ta sema continue to magadi ayadum hause pawde koi fanyam cover to rame khalle sidani ngasai state nadi hai ba ta sema commitment no piraga to se hara gadi district administration side page wa angam matem pangge ba school gi khangde ma khangde do free spectacles e pidragadi government schools is a problem.
Former Supreme Court Judge V. Rama Subramaniam has been appointed as the new chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission (NHRC). The position had remained vacant since June 1st following the completion of retired Justice Arun Kumar Mishra's tenure. Vijaya Bharati Sayani, a member of the NHRC, had assumed the role of acting chairperson on June 2nd after Justice Mishra stepped down from the post. The appointment was confirmed in an official statement by the NHRC on X, which also announced the appointment of Priyank Kanungo and former Justice Bidyut Ranjan Sarangi as members of the commission. The new appointments will take effect once Justice Rama Subramanian assumes office. As a continuation of the basic life and fire safety training program organized by the Manipur Fire Service Department in different locations of the state since December 13, a two-day program was held at the fire substation in Thobal district starting yesterday. The training aimed at enhancing awareness and preparedness in emergencies was primarily attended by staff from medical facilities and schools. Participants were trained in essential fire safety techniques, basic life-saving skills, and emergency response procedures. The program also included practical demonstrations of firefighting equipment and first aid. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Minister clarifies failure to summon 3 legislative sessions in 2024, cites COVID-19, May 2023 clashes and notes past government failures to do the same. Uttar Pradesh invites people of Manipur to Kumbh Mela, with Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya accepting on behalf of the state. Congress challenges amendments to election rules in the Supreme Court, citing integrity concerns. Congress protests erupt across Manipur against Amit Shah's controversial remarks on Dr. Ambedkar. District Congress committees demand resignation and apology. And greetings flow in from Manipur's top leaders as Governor, Chief Minister and others wish the people a Merry Christmas. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching ICE News and good night.